Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to uninstall apps on your Android phone. It could vary from different phone model or brand, but usually the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings and just most of the time you could just search up apps over here at the search bar, and it'll just send you to wherever it is, or just scroll down and find the app settings over here. And if you click on it, you will be sent to the settings that has all the apps. We could either delete the cache or uninstall the games. And then after you click over to the apps and just head over to the manage apps button over here. And as you can see, you have the uninstall feature over here. And to uninstall an app, specific app, you just need to click on one of the apps that you want to uninstall. For example, this one, this old PDF reader app. All you need to do is click on the uninstall button over here. Usually you need to scroll down if some older phones might not have this feature of just being there ready for you to just click. And for some other phones, actually you need to head over to like the storage area of your phone. So you need to kind of head back to the main settings homepage, and then just search up storage, and then you'll find the apps there, manage other apps, and that is how you uninstall an app on your Android phone. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel saying bye bye.